In this quick video, I'll show you how to transfer photos from iPhone to Google Drive. If you found this video helpful, then please consider subscribing my channel and also like this video. First of all, install Google Drive app from App Store. Once you install it, open it in your mobile and then tap on this plus icon to upload image in Google Drive. After that, you will see bunch of options. Here you can see folder icon. If you tap on it, then you will create a folder and then you can upload photos or videos inside that folder. If you tap on upload, then all of the photos and videos will be uploaded on your homepage of Google Drive. You can also use your camera and multiple features are here. So I will simply tap on upload and then you will see two options, photos and videos and browse. If you want to select photos and videos, then tap here, but I want to browse photos from my device. So for that I'll tap on browse. Once you tap on it, it will load all of your recent photos and documents. So all we need to do is tap on browse from bottom right corner. Once you tap on it, then you will see all of your folders in your iPhone. So I want to select photos from this on my iPhone. So I'll simply tap on it. Once you tap on it, you will see all of your folders. So if you have any photos inside any folder, then just click on that folder and select the image. I want to upload this image, so for that I'll select this image and then that image will be start uploading on my Google Drive. You can see the image here as well. Now if I was a big help, can you please subscribe my channel? I would really appreciate it. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.